8 ATVs that just don't break, reliable machines you can count on. It's early morning. The sun is just peeking over the trees. The air smells like pine and wet dirt. You're loading your gear and thinking about one thing: reliability. You want a machine that works every time. No breakdowns, no surprises, just smooth rides over mud, rocks, hills, and forest trails. Today, we're going to look at 8 ATVs that just don't break. Machines known for durability, ease of maintenance, and ability to handle anything. If you're a senior or a beginner, these are the machines you want to know about. We'll cover Honda 4Trax Foreman 4x4, Honda 4Trax Foreman Rubicon 4x4, Yamaha Kodiak 700, Yamaha Grizzly 700, Suzuki King Quad 400, Suzuki King Quad 750, Arctic Cat Altera 600, Polaris Sportsman 450. R1. Honda 4Trax Foreman 4x4. The Honda Foreman 4x4 has been a trusted ATV for decades. Its 500cc fuel-injected engine is smooth, reliable, and starts easily in all conditions. Cold mornings or hot afternoons, it simply runs. Torque is steady and predictable, perfect for climbing hills or hauling gear. The fully independent rear suspension keeps rides comfortable over rocky trails. The frame is tough but lightweight enough to handle tight maneuvers. Maintenance is simple: oil changes, filter cleaning, and basic checks. Minimal electronics mean fewer failures. Seniors and beginners love it because it's predictable, forgiving, and rarely leaves you stranded. It's perfect for utility work, hunting, or just riding trails. Not 2. Honda 4Trax Foreman Rubicon 4x4. The Rubicon adds comfort and a bit more power without sacrificing reliability. The engine is slightly more powerful, with smooth fuel-injected performance. Electric power steering reduces fatigue on longer rides. The suspension is comfortable, and the frame is built to survive heavy-duty use. This ATV is ideal for seniors who want capability and comfort. It can haul gear, carry firewood, and take a passenger along on slow, safe rides. Maintenance is straightforward, and the Rubicon is known for surviving years of trail or farm work without major repairs. Number 3. Yamaha Kodiak 700. The Kodiak 700 is a rugged, heavy-duty ATV. Its 686cc single-cylinder engine delivers consistent torque, and fuel injection ensures reliable starts in any weather. The independent double wishbone rear suspension keeps rides smooth over rough terrain, while the frame is strong enough to withstand years of heavy use. Owners consistently report thousands of miles with minimal repairs. Its weight provides stability, making it a favorite for seniors who need confidence on the trails. The Kodiak is perfect for utility work, hauling gear, or long scenic rides. It's an ATV you can trust to keep going. Number 4. Yamaha Grizzly 700. The Grizzly 700 is powerful yet dependable. Its 686cc liquid-cooled engine produces high torque, perfect for pulling loads or climbing steep trails. The independent rear suspension smooths out rough terrain, and the heavy-duty frame ensures durability. Optional power steering makes it easier for older riders to handle. The Grizzly is winch-ready, useful for utility work or recovery. Seniors and beginners appreciate that it balances power with predictability. Whether for trail riding, farm use, or hunting, the Grizzly 700 is nearly impossible to wear out. Hack 5. Suzuki King Quad 400. The King Quad 400 is simple but incredibly reliable. Its 376cc air-cooled engine starts easily and delivers consistent power. The suspension and frame are sturdy enough for rocks, mud, and uneven terrain. Minimal electronics mean fewer points of failure, making it ideal for beginners or seniors. Its simplicity and low-maintenance nature create confidence on every ride. This is an ATV that allows you to enjoy trails without worrying about breakdowns. 6. Suzuki King Quad 750. The King Quad 750 adds more power for those who need it without losing reliability. Its 722cc V-twin engine can haul, tow, and climb steep inclines effortlessly. Fuel injection ensures smooth starts and consistent performance. The heavy-duty frame and long travel suspension make it durable for years of use. Minimal electronics reduce maintenance headaches. Seniors who need power for work or recreation love that it's straightforward to operate. It's a rare combination of strength, versatility, and reliability. 7. Arctic Cat Altera 600. The Altera 600 is Arctic Cat's durable utility ATV. Its 580cc single-cylinder engine is smooth, EFI-equipped, and starts easily in all conditions. Fully independent suspension keeps rides comfortable even over rough trails. The frame is tough, built for long-term use. Minimal electronics mean fewer breakdowns. Seniors enjoy its predictability and ease of maintenance. The Altera 600 excels at utility tasks, hauling, trail riding, and recreational exploration. It's a machine you can rely on without fear. 8. Polaris Sportsman 450 HO. The Sportsman 450 HO is a staple of reliability. Its 450cc engine delivers smooth power with EFI for cold weather reliability. The independent rear suspension provides comfort and stability. The frame is strong, able to handle heavy-duty use. Minimal electronic systems make maintenance simple. It's a versatile ATV suitable for trail riding, hunting, utility work, or farm tasks. Seniors and beginners appreciate its predictability, low maintenance, and confidence-inspiring performance. Why these ATVs don't break. If you notice a pattern, it's clear. Simple, proven engines. Fewer electronics, more reliability. Durable frames and suspension, built to endure years of abuse. Low maintenance requirements, easy DIY care. Versatility, capable for trail, utility, hunting, or recreation. Modern ATVs often trade durability for flashy electronics or high horsepower. For seniors and beginners, that's a risk. These 8 ATVs deliver confidence, simplicity, and longevity. Advice for first-time buyers: don't chase the highest horsepower or newest electronics. Prioritize reliability and low maintenance. Match the machine to your real needs: hauling, trail riding, or recreational use. Consider older, simpler models. They often outlast newer, complex machines. Machines like the Honda Foreman, Yamaha Kodiak Grizzly, Suzuki King Quad, Arctic Cat Altera, and Polaris Sportsman are tried, tested, and proven to last. Drop a comment below. Which of these 8 ATVs would you ride first? Do you have a personal unbreakable ATV you swear by? Share your thoughts. Your insights could help someone choose the right machine. At the end of the day, it's not about speed, style, or flashy features. It's about reliability, confidence, and the joy of riding. These 8 ATVs deliver that year after year.